Hey, thanks for joining us. Today we're going to build the Roy Toy Paul Bunyan Pioneer Log Cabin Set. This comes in a 10 barrel with 100 pieces. The instructions show you how to build the Pioneer cabin, or you can design your own with all the pieces. So let's get started. Okay, here's all your pieces. And here's your instructions. It unfolds, shows you how to build the first cabin. Okay, let's build the cabin. Okay, I kind of like this set. It was rather challenging with the instructions that came with it, but managed to get through it. It says ages 3+. I'm not sure a 4-year-old could build this.